Good companies, final segment. I'll say what I think a good company is first, and then I'll come on to why we think it's important to invest in them. The primary measure of a good company in financial terms, which David touched upon in his introduction, I take from Warren Buffett's 1979 annual chairman's letter. The first and most important measure of a good company in financial terms is it makes a high return on operating profit capital in cash. The cash delivered in a reporting period divided by the capital employed is a high number. In our portfolio at the moment, it's probably 25%, something like that. It's a high number, basically. Secondly, it has a source of growth which enables it to reinvest those cash flows. It's no good having wonderful returns on your business if you are landlocked into a very small segment, niche, or geography, and you can't deploy the cash that's being generated to grow the business. You need both of those elements to make a truly great investment. And last but by no means least, you need a source of sustainable capital advantage to prevent mean reversion. If you make 25% returns on capital and you've got very good growth to enable you to reinvest at 25%, people are attracted to compete in your business. There's a perfectly good law of economics called mean reversion, which says that all returns revert to the mean in the end. It's not quite right, this law. Of course, the answer is most companies' returns revert to the mean or average in the end. There are a few companies that have got competitive advantage that enables them to fend off the impact of competition.